Simplify payroll processing and ensure timely payments for your employees with our intuitive payroll module. Manage employee payroll data effortlessly. Maintain accurate and up-to-date employee information like salaries, deductions, and tax settings for seamless processing. Eliminate manual calculations and reduce errors. Our system automatically calculates salaries, deductions, and net pay, ensuring accuracy and efficiency. Generate payslips automatically. Detailed payslips with breakdown of earnings, deductions, and net pay are readily available for employees and for record-keeping purposes. Gain valuable insights with detailed payroll reports. Track tax liabilities, analyze employee costs, and make data-driven decisions for optimized payroll management.